Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Basel. If you like traveling and discovering new places, like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. In this video you will see the beauty of the city, the places to visit, I will share the ways to save money, and of course you will see the food which we have found. This is the Basel Minster and it is one of the Basel's main sites. There are 40 museums in Basel and you will definitely find the one you like. Just look at all of these beautiful buildings. After seeing the Minster, we went down the street closer to the river. Wherever you go, you will find something incredible there. There are about 300 beautiful fountains in Basel. Then we reached the bridge and saw this incredible view. By the way, while traveling in Switzerland, I am using myswitzerland.com website, which helps me to find the best places to see. All you need is to choose the city or town you would like to visit, and then you will find the restaurants, hotels and events which are happening there. I will share the link in the description below. Another great way to make plans for the visit is to find the office for tourists. And there you will find all of the information that you need. This beautiful building is the Basel Town Hall. It is a 500-year-old building. And this is the place which I absolutely love. It is called Tingley Fountain and it was built in 1977. The next important part of this journey was to find food. I made the research online in advance, found the restaurant, but unfortunately it was closed for summer holidays, so we had to choose another one. So we literally entered the first restaurant we saw in front of us and we didn't regret it at all. It's called Restaurant Alte Post. We ordered pizza 4 cheeses, which was great, and the second dish was frosty Swiss dish, which I absolutely recommend to try. The next food for us was hotel breakfast and the second day started. We have visited the Basel Zoo and for me it is the best zoo in Switzerland I have seen. By the way, when you arrive to Basel and check into the hotel you get the city card. With this card you can use public transport for free. You also get discount of 50% on entering museums, Basel Zoo and lots more. And it is a great way to save money. The zoo is incredible. It is quite big and it may take 5-6 hours to be there, or maybe even the whole day if you want to. The zoo is divided into 11 parts filled with all sorts of animals. We absolutely loved being there. It is clean, so nice, it looks like you are in the middle of the forest. If you get tired or hungry, there is a restaurant where you can have your lunch. Within the day, they have 3 activities: penguins walk, pelicans feeding, and sea lions feeding. And if you want to see all of them, you will have to be there in the morning. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, ask them in comments and I will answer them. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss new videos about traveling and cooking. See you in the next video.